Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a proxy in a Ghost AIO Sneaker Bot. So let's get started. Run the program. First, let's set up the proxy and then we'll create a task. Click on the gear icon on the top right to access the settings. In the settings window, you'll find the proxy field. Use the following format to enter a free proxy: proxy IP, proxy port. If you have a dedicated proxy, enter it in the following format instead: proxy IP, proxy port, username, and password separated by colons. Once you've entered the proxy, click on Save to save the settings. You can also test the proxy's performance in the Proxy Tester tab. Once you've checked the proxy, it's time to create a task and bind the proxy to it. Go to the Create Tasks tab. The parameters you need to set will depend on your individual needs and tasks. However, I'll show you how to bind a proxy to a task. At the bottom right, you'll see the proxy field. If you want to use a separate proxy for each specific task, activate Task-Specific Proxy and enter the proxy in the proxy field, as I showed you earlier. If you want to use one of the proxies specified in the settings, leave the box unchecked. In this case, the program will use one of the specified proxies in a list when executing the task. And there you have it! The proxy is now set and you are ready to start working with Ghost AIO. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.